Okay, so today we're gonna jump into this baby right here. We're just gonna do a tutorial using this. And I know that plastic is not good, but I do really enjoy that he has like this thick plastic. I am going to definitely keep mine in here just to protect the palette itself. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in. Let me get my little ring mirror, and let's start off by using Royal Pain, which is this muted kind of matte pink, and I'm gonna put that all over the crease. Ooh, she is pigmented. Next color I'm going to go in is High King, which is another matte purple, and just add that on top, just in the outer corner of that crease, to add a little bit more purple. Wow, these blend so nice. Shade I'm gonna use here on the outer corner of my lid, I'm going to go in with Betrayal, which is this gorgeous purple shimmer. And I love that it has a little guillotine in there. And so far I haven't had any fallout, which I was afraid that I would get some. I do get some kick up with the palette, but not anything out of this world. And these are so nice and pigmented, which I love about his formula is just how beautiful they go on without even having to wet them or anything. Do you see that? Do you see it? Holy crap, this is beautiful. And then I will blend all of those together with that same Sigma brush in a minute. Okay, and then I'm gonna go a little bit out of my comfort zone and put Sworn Enemy, which is this green, because I feel like everybody and their mother is either doing black with pink or purple for this palette. And I do see this beautiful green in the middle that looks so different, so we're going to play with that. And green and purple just go beautiful together, so definitely will be applying this one. This one's a little chunky as far as the glitter goes, so definitely you want to pat this in. Ooh, I think I might even wet this. Let me see how it keeps applying. It does pick up really nicely on the brush, but I feel like it doesn't translate as well on the eye. So let's just play with it and see. Oh, that is pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my finger and add a little bit extra of Betrayal on that outer corner, just to like really pop it in there. I just feel like it needs a little oomph. Because I've been blending so much, I feel like it took away from it a little bit. Oh, wow. Oh, blood sugar, watch out, bitch, because bloodlust is coming for you. Okay, for that inner corner, I'm gonna go in with the light pink, which is Wet Jewel. Ooh, yes. Oh my God, do you guys see that? Oh, damn. Y'all can hate on Jeffree, but something that he does is a good formulation, like, yes. Underneath the lash line, I'm gonna go in with Pink Magic. It's just calling my name. It is a shimmer shade, so let's see how much it shows up down here. With this, oh my God, I cannot. This is so beautiful.